Thanks again for checking in to WeatherBug. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And yes, indeed, we are talking about our first full day of fall with those temperatures warming up in the central U.S. over the next couple of days as the upper-level winds change, come to a weather pattern change. And what that'll do is actually bring us some west coast rain, so I'm sure folks out that way are appreciative of that. Here are some flood concerns from early Tuesday from southern New Mexico to West Texas. Some spots down there have actually seen quite a bit of heavy rainfall so far early this week. But again, those temperatures will be a little bit cooler down to the southwest due to the fact that we'll have additional clouds and some additional rain showers. It doesn't look like the rain is quite as heavy as what we were expecting yesterday. Those rainfall amounts tapering off a bit. However, heading off into the west coast from northern California to western Oregon and most of Washington state, we're talking nearly 2 to 4 inches of rain in some areas as this big upper level low continues to very slowly push east. That is helping to tug in a lot of that Pacific moisture and send it our way. And the winds associated with that are starting to pick up as well. Temperatures yesterday ranging from the 60s around the Great Lakes to the triple digits in the southwest. And now some of that heat along the central plains and the high plains will actually be moving eastward into the Midwest over the next several afternoons. But we are dealing with cooler than average temperatures still here from Chicago down to St. Louis, Atlanta, even New Orleans, a little bit below average. But Denver and Billings as much as 10 to 15 degrees above average. So that's where we're going to see the warming push off to the east. 68 today with sunshine in Chicago, 70 in New York, very comfortable in D.C. there as well, and pretty comfortable in Atlanta. Our temperature trend shows that big upper level low over the west coast and a changing the upper level winds. So there's that trough of low pressure, rain, cooler temperatures there. Meanwhile, in the midsection of the nation heading into the middle and end of this upcoming week, it'll be warmer.